All right, so once you happen to hit the threshold, that is 500 subscribers, then you also happen to have 3,000 watch hour. What will happen is you will see a notification requiring you to simply hit a certain part which indicates apply. So you'll be able to do that on your phone, but preferably you'll be able to see everything clearly when you happen to use your laptop. All right, so now what you need to do is you simply click on that tab in the top right. So once you're in, this is what you're gonna see. So what you need to do is you click and swipe down, and you're gonna see where it reads apply. Okay, so at this stage, what you're likely to earn from is supers when you activate these, but first and foremost you have to apply when you happen to be accepted into the YPP program. That's when you'll be able to activate these. So you hit apply, and then let's say review best terms. Read these terms carefully as these apply to your participation in the YouTube partner program. So when you're done with this, that's when you'll be moved on to signing up for AdSense for YouTube. Then you will get reviewed. So let's start with the first. Network pretty bad. Okay, so you need to take some time to read through all these. Then you swipe down, then you click accept, then you hit accept terms. Okay, so let's accept the terms. And that is done. So now that you are done with the first part, the next thing that you need to do is you sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So just click start, and let's see what you're likely to see. So it's saying you will be redirected to AdSense for YouTube to complete this step. Do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account? So let's check. Okay, so you can simply go by I don't know, then you hit continue. But if you're sure you have an AdSense account, you simply say yes, I have. You need to connect the one that you have. So which one? They want me to choose one with which I can actually create an AdSense account. So I'll go with the second one. So if you had created an AdSense account at some point, YouTube will tell you this one is actually connected to an AdSense account, but you can actually proceed from there. You would definitely be guided through. So saying you are already linked to an existing Google product, associate this account with your YouTube channel for easy setup or use. Okay, so here we go. You simply hit continue. and then you go by set up account. Then redirecting you to YouTube. Okay, so after you are redirected back to YouTube Studio, this is what you're gonna say. Here it's saying step 2 is done. Step 1 has already been done. So we need to move on to step 3, where we have to get reviewed. So here I'm actually waiting, the saying step 3 in progress.
Okay, so when model comes, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see a message on your channel dashboard reading that congratulations, you've been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. And then what you need to do is you simply hit let's go. Then from this stage, you will need to revisit. At some point later on, you will receive a message right there on the channel dashboard reading that you have actually been sent some documents in your AdSense account. So you need to revisit the AdSense account, and this is what I'm going to show you right now.
So we are here on YouTube. We will need to revisit the Google AdSense account, which was actually started. So you have to open it, and this is what you're gonna see. So here, when you check on top here, they're saying to start earning from AdSense, you need to add your payment info and connect your site. And when you check on top, the first part is actually the one that we are looking at. So we can click the arrow there to see the second part. They're saying, let's get you started. Just follow the steps to start earning with ads. Okay. They're saying payments, tell us about you, then see how ads look on your site, connect your site to your AdSense. So what is it that we have to do first? We can actually click where it reads manage tax info. So when you get here, all you have to do is you hit add tax info. Just tap there, another window will actually get opened.
All right, so in this part, you will need to actually verify your identity. So here you'll be required to submit either your driver's license, your national registration card, or your voter's card. And make sure that by the time you be registering your name here, you make use of your legal name, your full name, the one which is actually on your legal document. So you hit I agree, then you start verification. You will punch in your legal name, and then you also punch in, or you select the ID. Is it the national registration card? Is it the driver's license? You actually choose that from the second part. Okay, so here we're gonna go by the firstly the legal name there. Let me punch it in, and then you enter. These other things will actually fall in place. You simply follow through. When you click next, you'll go to the next page where you're going to enter some necessary pieces of information.
Okay, so now after identity verification, the next part will be verification of the address. So mostly this is done by actually entering the PIN that will be mailed to you by YouTube. Okay. So now, where are you likely to find this PIN? The PIN will be mailed to you by using the same mail address that you had actually used. Now, don't make a mistake of punching in the permanent residential address there. You have to punch in the postal. If you are in a country like one of those countries in Africa, it will be very, very difficult for you to receive the PIN. So verify your address using the PIN code mailed to you. Mailed to your billing address. This is required to receive future payments and continue monetization. So what we need to do is we'll need to log on to our AdSense account, and then we check if there is that part where we have to punch in the PIN. Okay, you have to punch in the PIN. So now when you see this notification, it doesn't mean that the PIN has arrived. This will actually be sent to you physically. So you might wait for 1 month or 3 weeks. It just depends. So let's log on to our Google AdSense account. Now it's been a while since I logged in, so I might need to provide the payment methods plus other things. Pixelverse dashboard. What am I saying? All right. So when you log on, this is what you're gonna see. To say your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. So this is something that should actually make you panic. All you need to do is you begin to wait till the PIN arrives at the post office. Okay, so there is no need to panic when you see this. All you have to do is to begin to wait. You exercise some patience, and just after three weeks, others it takes long, 6 weeks. Others say it took them 1 month. So when that period elapses, you will actually receive the PIN, which press.